Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to put text in a shape in Photoshop. I already create a new layer. You create new layer. Click shape. First of all, select edit text shape. Shape fill color. Click and drag it, and oh, press Ctrl T on your keyboard. Use this icon, flag, and again create a new layer. Click text horizontal type tool, select color, text color, Arial black 10 pt text size, then type anything. Okay, hold, sorry, press Ctrl T, again Ctrl T, click the icon, use flag, and now see this, essence text. Okay, hold Ctrl middle. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.